the what? Yeah, bros, what the what? That was what I said. Hey, Albert Patakan here. Yeah, JB. Because they're studying your book, so that's why. Like, I in the background that disregard, disregard, disregard. I know you want me to play Minecraft, but sorry, but it doesn't work on laptop. My laptop's pink. As you can see, right over there, my brother's playing something called 8 Ball. 8 Ball? Don't 13. Oh god, it's getting bigger. It's getting smaller. Now it's getting bigger. It's getting smaller. Getting bigger. Oh my god! I'm actually holding the camera. Ooh, creepy. Okay. Stop. 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 Here's mine was this short. Yeah, I love that pink, so I can play Minecraft. I'm really sorry, I'm really sorry, I'm really sorry. Electric fan. Yeah, they told me to move the electric fan, that's why you get like blacked out. Sorry, sorry, sorry. No, look. Look! Legendary! Oh, wait. Bam! Sorry, I had to for this video because I was watching YouTube. I love Minecraft. But, subscribe. Subscribe down below. And check in the comments what I have online games. And not to download games because we don't have any money. And we live in a different country with money called pesos. Okay. Cool down. Cool down. Cool down. Cool down. Watch this. Watch these.